Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Jira for tracking UI/UX bug fixes and improvements, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Jira dashboard. Ensure you are logged into your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to track UI/UX bug fixes and improvements. In the project sidebar, locate and click on the Issues tab. Look for the Create Issue button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on Create Issue to open the issue creation form. Select the appropriate issue type, such as bug or task. Fill in the summary of the bug or improvement clearly. In the description field, provide detailed information about the UI/UX issue. Mention steps to reproduce the bug if applicable. Attach any relevant screenshots or files to illustrate the issue. Assign the issue to the right team member using the Assignee field. Set the priority level based on the urgency of the fix. Use the Labels field to categorize the issue, such as UI or UX if necessary. Add due dates to establish timelines for resolution. Review all the information for accuracy and completeness. Click on the Create button to submit the issue. Click on Watch to receive notifications for any updates or changes. You can manage your subscription preferences under your account settings. Repeat this process for any additional UI/UX issues you want to track. Regularly check your notifications to stay informed about progress on bug fixes and improvements. Utilize Jira's reporting tools to analyze trends in UI/UX issues over time. Sync your team's progress during regular stand-up meetings. Encourage team collaboration through comments and updates on each issue. Ensure that resolutions are documented for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.